If you're going to be successful in dropshipping, you need to have your own private supplier, someone that will fulfill your orders for you. And it's going to be important because it's going to help you with your margins, your customer support, and actually ensuring that you're getting good products to your paying customers. So, one of my private stores here, right here, that scaled up to 25%. We were leveraging a private supplier, and it was great because products were arriving to my customers in as short as 7 to 8 days. So I'm going to show you how you can easily get a private supplier for free. And this is going to be super important if you actually want to grow your business. So just a quick recap here. 99% of products are manufactured in China. There are different types of warehouses, ones that specialize in specific products like toys or clothing, supplements even. And then most warehouses are just general. They have a ton of people working, building, and making a ton of different products. A private supplier actually works directly in China to communicate with the warehouses to get you a quote and a price to ship your products directly to your customer. So a private supplier is going to be that middle person that actually communicates with you and the people in China manufacturing the actual products. This is important because if you get a good private supplier, they'll help you get a better cost of goods than what you see on Aliexpress and Alibaba. They'll allow you to ship the products in a shorter period of time. They'll also allow you to brand the product, put your logo, put your colors. You can even customize certain products if you're at that scale. But this is super important because you want to automate the process. A private supplier, once they're connected to your store, as orders come through, they'll automatically fulfill them for you. You just have to have a balance on your account so they can debit that and actually pay for the products to send it to your customer. There are a ton of different options out there, but I don't care if you're a beginner or someone that's been dropshipping for 10 plus years. I highly recommend signing up for TeamDrop because it's 100% free. I could not believe when I first started my journey of dropshipping, I was paying $45, $50 a month to work with a website or a platform that would charge me money, even if I wasn't, making any money or shipping any products. You should not have to pay an additional fee to get a private supplier to ship products to your customers. So TeamDrop's 100% free. I'll leave a link in the description. If you sign up with that link, you also get a couple coupons and sign up bonuses to make your first set of orders actually cheaper and more affordable. So TeamDrop is great because they're actually one of the biggest manufacturers in all of China. They're connected to some of the biggest manufacturers that are producing all different types of products. And I love TeamDrop because it's simple. You sign up for free. You connect TeamDrop to your store, which I'm going to show you how to do in just a moment. And then from there, as long as you're connected and you have a balance on your account, the private suppliers at TeamDrop will start to fulfill orders for you. And I'm going to show you how you can directly communicate with them and actually get in a WhatsApp group chat with your own private supplier that will be in charge of shipping all your products for you automatically. On top of that, they can pretty much find any product for you within about 24 to 48 hours. You can also, once you're at that level and scale, you can actually put your logo and your packaging on the product. And what's really cool too is that they actually have manufacturing warehouses or actually fulfillment warehouses in the United States. So if you get out of the testing phase with a product, you really like it and you want to scale this to a 6, 7, or even 8-figure brand a year, you can actually ship a order amount, maybe 100, 200, 1,000 units out to their US warehouses and get 2 to 3 day shipping times in the local country of the US. So that's absolutely really cool. So this is a long-term service that you can partner with. And as long as you're getting the best quotes and you have great support, this is a very easy process to set up. So it's a super easy process. Let me show you what you need to do. Step 1, sign up for TeamDrop in the link in the description and then create an account. Go to store management and then just literally go to authorize store and connect your Shopify store. From there on the right-hand side, this is how you can actually get in contact with your private supplier. Just hit this WhatsApp button here and it'll bring you to a group chat. And then from there, once you shoot them a message, you're going to get contacted with a private supplier. Everybody has different agents when you sign up with TeamDrop. So you might have a completely different person than me. It just depends on who's available at that time. And from there, it's about just establishing a good relationship with them, letting them know that you're serious about building an e-com brand. Even if you're starting from complete scratch, that's totally okay. And the process from here is pretty simple. Once your store is connected, all you need to do is just find the product that you want to dropship and then just shoot them a message. So you can see here, I have a running conversation with my private suppliers. And oftentimes I just give them a product that I want to source and potentially dropship. And then they'll find it pretty quickly within about 24 to 48 hours. So I just simply send them a message. Hey, can you actually give me a quote for this product? So they'll go through, they'll look for it. And the best part about this, and some advice I recommend you do as well, make sure that they send you a picture or video of the product in question. So for example, there was this portable tea maker. I thought it was a really cool product. So I gave them a picture of it, asked them to give me a quote. And you can see here, I believe this was on the 29th at 8:16 a.m. Later that same day, about 12 hours later, 8:33 p.m., they came back. They said, sure, of course. This color with Aliexpress shipping is $39, which makes sense. This is a heavy product with glass. And then they gave me a picture of the product so I can see here in real time. And a lot of the times I try to make sure that they give me an entire quote depending on the region, location. As you can see here, the shipping times is about 6 to 12 day shipping. So something to actually pause and highlight here. When it comes to sourcing a product, there's always that 1 to 2 days of processing that the actual manufacturer that made the product needs to ship to your actual private supplier, in this case, Team Drop. So there's actually an additional 1 to 2 days that gets tacked on, and that's totally fine initially in the first few days of testing. Once you've established that this is a product that is profitable and can scale, I highly recommend you just start asking them to order more units. A lot of times they'll do this for you automatically, but you can just say, hey, can you start ordering 50 to 100 units to your warehouse? You won't have to pay any additional money up front. They're just going to start doing that so that way they can ship out orders the same day. And that extra 1 to 2 days completely gets wiped away because the inventory is already at their warehouse. And now you have a true 6 to 12. And for some products, it's even shorter than that. And this is strictly going to the US. If you wanted to ship to Canada, Australia, UK, they pretty much ship to any country. And depending on the product and the manufacturer, the shipping times will vary. But a lot of times when working with them, they give you a range 6 to 12 days to be safe. A lot of times the products get to my customers in about 7 to 8 days. So they're pretty consistent about that, which I absolutely love. Now, a question I know some beginners are going to wonder is, Alex, do I have to put my logo on the product when I'm first dropshipping it? And the answer is no. You do not need to brand your product before you even start selling it and verify that it's working. I know what you see a lot of times is people creating their logos on the product pages and then the product cards, but they're just doing that for the marketing sake. That actually a lot of the times, especially newer stores, do not ship the product with the logo. They don't do that. That's an extra step of friction and it's going to cost you a little bit extra money for no reason because you haven't even validated the product yet. So yeah, someone might have their logo in the product card and on their website to make it seem like that's what the product's going to look like when it arrives. But oftentimes it's just the product without the logo. And don't worry, customers are not going to email you saying, hey, the logo isn't the same on your website that it is in the product that I received, because they're not buying the product because of the logo on the package. They're buying the product because it's supposed to work. So it's important that you don't overstress and overcomplicate the process until a product is proven as a winner. That's when I'll start thinking about branding it, actually physically branding the product, and then worrying about minimum order quantities and shipping that over to warehouses and stuff like that. But in the beginning, just pick a product, validate it that it works, ship it to your customers as the orders come in. You don't have to order in bulk until you've proven that you're getting consistent sales and you're getting profitable sales. And then you have the option and luxury of working with your private suppliers. You can also negotiate with them and get the price down. When you just first start out, you can see that the quotes may be a little bit more on the pricier side. That's because they are using a lot of times Aliexpress, which is the faster shipping line from China to anywhere else in the world. But as you start to establish a relationship with them, you're getting orders consistently. You can just go back to them and say, hey, we're doing really well. We're getting a decent amount of orders. Can we cut the price and the cost of goods down for about $1, $1.50? And they oftentimes will work with you on that. So that's the cool thing about working with them. And then you could just, whenever you're ready, if you're doing really well and scaling up your store, if you want to get about 100 to 1,000 units into the US warehouses, you can just shoot your private supplier a message and they'll hand it out for you. So that's the process there. Very simple, very easy, very clean. There's not really much else to do. And it's so important that you work with the process of drop shipping the product, validating it, and then worrying about branding and everything. But I see a lot of beginners struggle with just private suppliers and getting good quotes for products. You want to make sure products and the products that you're drop shipping automatically get fulfilled and sent off to your customers. Another process in this that's really cool is that they will automatically email. They have a Shopify automation that does this, but as orders get delivered or is in transit or arrives, it automatically emails and notifies the customer, hey, your package has been delivered. So that back-end process is completely taken care of. So you can just focus on picking and finding good products and then scaling them up with your Facebook ads. And if you're worrying about how do you pay them, it's pretty simple. You just need to top up your balance. You only have to add a balance to your account whenever your orders are getting ready to be shipped. So don't worry, you don't need a ton of money to get started. You're only paying for the orders that you obviously generate and make a sale on. So to do that, you just hit your profile icon here, hit top up, and then you just fill out the basic information. They're gonna allow you to submit a wire or a bank transfer to deposit the amount that you need to fulfill on. So for example, if I get a quote for a product and it's $10 and I get 3 sales, all I have to do is just top up my account for $30 and then they will use that money to pay for the product and send it to my customer. That's it. That's the only manual process that you have to do. But the moment your account is connected and you have a quote and your store is built, this entire backend is automated. So to wrap up, do not use Aliexpress, Alibaba, CJ Dropshipping. These are oftentimes platforms that take a super long time to get shipping. They often upcharge a little bit on the cost of goods as well. And you're not going to really be able to custom brand them, and you don't really have much customer support. And any tool like AutoDS or ZenDrop that charges you a monthly subscription just to be on the platform to source a product doesn't make any sense whatsoever when you literally have platforms like TeamDrop. That's 100% free. You don't have to pay to do, to source products. Like, why would you pay to do that? So that is my advice to you. So if you guys need any, have any other questions or anything like that, leave a comment down below. Hopefully you found some value in this. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Take care.